your intense workout, your gym, do you also feel a lot of pain in your back muscles, in your legs, in your muscles here and there? You're not able to do the daily lifestyle activities because of that pain and lack of energy? Then this 5 yoga asanas and stretches is going to relax you all the muscles, rejuvenate your body easily and help you set for the day. These 5 stretches you must do after your gym, weight training, HIIT, Zumba, aerobics, anything that includes a lot of muscle tear, a lot of jumping, workout, weightlifting. These 5 stretches are must to include into your routine to feel a long-term benefit. Even if not now, then laterwards you might feel a lot of discomfort onto your spine, onto your muscles. Then this 5 stretches is going to release all the stiffness from your body. Let's begin with the first. So coming onto the mat, placing both the hands, knees separated, feet relaxed. And now from here, begin to inhale, look up, and exhale, down. Inhale, look up, exhale, down. Inhale, look up, exhale, look down. Practice this cat and cow for at least 10 to 15 counts to feel the relaxation, to feel the spinal flow and working on each vertebra of the spine. We are ready to go ahead with the second stretch, and that is the Anjaneya Asana, low lunge, where you have to place the right leg forward, keeping it slightly forward so that when you bend the knee is not going ahead of the ankle. Once you come here, keep dropping your buttocks down, feeling the stretch on your quads and hams muscles. Stay with the stretch. Hold for 30 seconds and gently take your body back. From here only further, we are going to do the third one, which is the half split Ardha Hanumanasana, where we are going to drop the hands totally onto the mat and bring the right knee straight. So bring the right knee straight and drop the head down. Feeling the pull on the back of the leg, calf muscles, hamstrings. Stay for another 30 seconds and gently come back. We have to repeat the second and third with the other leg also. So left leg forward and we go ahead with pressing forward. And taking the leg back, knees straight, drop the head down. Don't forget to hold for 30 counts, 30 seconds, so that you feel the flow while stretching, the breathing and everything. Now we are ready to move ahead for the fourth one, which is the Supta Matsyendra Asana, or we can say the recline spinal twist. So lay down onto the mat, both the legs straight, and with that, bring the left leg bend, left leg knee will go over and dropping down onto the floor. Keep twisting your spine. You can use the hand to press and look opposite. With this twist, stay and hold. Gently come back and change. This time you are going to bend the right leg knee, dropping on to the side, moving the neck into the opposite direction. You can stay here from 30 seconds to 1 minute. until you start to feel a good relaxation on your lower back. And from here only, from the lying position, we can continue with the fifth asana, which is the Pavan Muktasana. So bend the knee, bring it closer, and take your hands tied, pressing the legs towards you, hugging your body basically. This is going to release all the tension from the spine. You can slightly move left to right to massage your back. And once you're done moving left and right, you can go for up and down, rolling the spine onto the mat. And with that, we are done with the 5 stretches, and it is going to take you just 3 to 4 minutes to finish after your workout or your gym, and going to relax you for all the day long and prepare you for the next day. So do not do this mistake of not adding the final stretches to your routine. Note it down, learn it, or just start this video whenever you are finished with the workout and practice this daily. Let me know how was your experience in the comments, which all exercise you find it good to continue and add it to your routine. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to Sayam Yoga. You can also join Sayam Yoga community or the yoga classes where we are doing the dedicated yoga session, not just a few stretches or not just a few asanas, but we are designed the whole session to give you an overall benefit. For that, you can just drop a WhatsApp message to this number and we will let you know all the details about the sessions. Thank you so much for joining me to this video.